Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment it down and press the bell icon and all notification date when I post my video, so that you will get notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start. So you can see the first picture, you can see the blue color cupboard, the mirror, you can see beautiful mirrors, the lamp decoration, everything is very beautiful, the tap and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the black color frame and all, and the floor also very beautiful, up also very beautiful, good decoration and design. The cupboard and the air bathing place, everything is very beautiful. And this also very beautiful, you can see the bathroom, beautiful bathroom, the mirror, the light. This one also good, the washing hands and the washer shower you will take beautiful place, and the main window is also there. And so also the lamps, up lamps, you can see the wooden color theme decoration, the mirrors beautiful. And this one you can see it may be a full mirror, you can anyone can see inside, but how they will bath, it is very difficult, very beautiful. Okay, but this also in pink color decoration, pink color, and the sides you can see white color, beautiful. This is also in blue color, you can see the upper the bed, you can see the decoration and all very beautiful. On the wall or roof also very beautiful. This also you can see the wall and the roof and the floor, you can see beautiful decoration they did. The room I like this one, it is also the very beautiful, you can see the wooden theme, and the windows also there, beautiful window is there. This is also very beautiful, you can see the mirror and the up roof, you can see beautiful lightings and all very beautiful. This is also very beautiful, you can see the black color frame and all, in the wall, the floor black color, beautiful. This is also very beautiful, you can see the here you can bath, there you can here you can shower, a very beautiful place. So on the sides you can keep any towel, shampoo and oil, or anything soap you can keep beautiful. This one also good, you can see the lights, the floor lights, the sides lights, very beautiful lights and all very good. This one also very beautiful, you can see the bottle, the flower, the plants, small plant and all, and the toilet, beautiful. This is also very beautiful, you can see the up lamp, you can see beautiful like candle, beautiful. I love this. This also you can see the up, the size, the decoration is very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.